The air we breathe is under threat, and the numbers don't lie. Despite a staggering 15,195 complaints about illegal wood burning across England in a single year, only one prosecution has been made. This is a shocking revelation that highlights a critical gap in our environmental enforcement system. The data, sourced from Freedom of Information requests by the dedicated campaign group Mums for Lungs, paints a concerning picture. In smoke control areas alone, complaints soared by 65% compared to the previous year, yet local authorities issued a mere 24 fines during the same period. These smoke control areas are designated to protect our health and the environment. Here, households are permitted to burn wood or other fuels only in specially approved stoves designed to minimize harmful emissions. But the rules are being flouted, and the consequences are severe. Under the Environment Act 2021, fines can be issued for violations, ranging from £300 for smoke-emitting chimneys to a hefty £1,000 for using unauthorised fuel in unapproved appliances. Yet, these penalties are rarely enforced, with most councils issuing few or no penalties at all. The impact of this inaction is felt across the country. The highest number of complaints came from Swale in Kent, Birmingham, Manchester, Wakefield, and Dorset. But the issue is not limited to these areas. It's a nationwide concern. Campaigners and health experts are raising the alarm. Dr. James Hayden, an assistant professor of criminology with a focus on environmental and social policy, shares the stories of concerned citizens. As an air pollution scientist, I receive desperate emails each winter from people whose homes are filled with their neighbors' wood smoke. They worry about the impact on their children's asthma and the health of their loved ones. The health risks are real and alarming. Health experts warn of rising lung cancer rates among non-smokers and the detrimental effects of air pollution on children. The Royal College of Physicians estimates that air pollution causes up to 36,000 premature deaths in the UK annually and costs the economy a staggering £27 billion. The Royal College of Paediatrics and Child Health calls for a phase-out of domestic wood burning in urban areas, citing air pollution as the second leading risk factor for death in children under 5 in the UK and globally. A recent study by University College London, UCL, found that users of solid fuel stoves experienced a faster decline in lung function compared to non-users. But here's where it gets controversial. The previous government promised to tighten emission limits for new stoves in smoke control areas, but no legislation has been introduced yet. A promised review of the plan remains unpublished, leaving us with more questions than answers. And this is the part most people miss: the increasing number of wood burner installations in densely populated areas. A 2025 UCL mapping project revealed that the proportion of homes with wood burners rose from 9.4% in 2022 to 10.3% in 2024. Jemima Hartshorn, the founder of Mums for Lungs, puts it bluntly: the government claims to have world-leading laws on air pollution, but they are meaningless if they are not enforced. The increasing number of installations needs to be controlled. By allowing these appliances to be installed, the government is storing up a PM 2.5 problem for future generations. So, what can be done? How can we ensure that our air pollution laws are enforced and our health and environment are protected? These are questions we must ask ourselves and our leaders. The time to act is now.